How are you now? Well, it's another wonderful day in the Northwest Territories. Out on Great Slave Lake, about 20-30 clicks outside of Yellowknife. So got here by sled, got myself, got the missus, got the 30-30 and some steaks. So it's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be a good night. It's supposed to get down to about minus 37, minus 40. So it shouldn't be too bad. It's gonna be not bad at all actually, but we're gonna stay at a cabin, have a little bit of a wood stove, have a bit of a fire, cook some steaks up, so it's gonna be wonderful. It's gonna be a real good night. Well, steak's cooked. It looks absolutely amazing. Smells even better. Cooked it in that ghee stuff again. Really liking it, honestly. It's not bad at all. But it's amazing how good it absolutely smells. It makes such a big difference when it's, minus 27, minus 30 outside. It's supposed to get down to, like I said, minus 38, minus 37. So we'll see. But it's amazing how a good meal changes everything. I mean, it tastes so damn good. Absolutely good. I wish I could share it with you. It's absolutely amazing. It's moments like this where I'm so glad that I moved north. Just the things that I get to experience, snowmobiling, coming out to cabins like this in the middle of nowhere. It's so incredible. Hunting. I mean, I picked up a pocket full of wolf tags, bison tags, moose tags, mule deer tags. If you love hunting and fishing, like, this is the place to be. I mean, I pulled a small pike out from this very island. I think it was like 30 inches or something like that. So, I mean, down home, that's a good sized fish if you catch that in the lake. Sorry, I'm all tongue-tied, a little cold, but it's incredible. This is the things that you can do up here and the life that you can live. It's incredible. I miss home. I'm going home in April. So excited to see the family, so excited to see everybody, see the ocean again. But while I'm here, I just gotta live life as much as I possibly can. And it's gonna be moments like this where it's well worth it. But sorry, I'm just enjoying it. Actually, I'm gonna have one more. Sorry, make you watch me eat it. Sorry, apologies. It's just so good, so damn good. But in any case, I'm gonna enjoy this. Sit, have some more tea with the missus, and it's gonna be amazing. Catch you later. Well, it's minus 20 outside. Should get a little bit cooler with the sun kind of finally setting there, going dark. I can feel the wind, so it's probably about minus 25, minus 26 with the wind chill. So cold if you're going to be spending out the night, like my poor sled, but the sled will be fine. It'll be all right. But between the steak and the tea and a cup of beer, I think we're just going to settle in, play some cards, or a little flask of whiskey, so that should be nice. But it's going to be a real good night. Just nice and quiet. So nice to get out here. I mean, it's silent. There's not a soul around me for at least, I don't know, 20 clicks, something like that. It's breathtaking. I found down south in Nova Scotia, you could never get away. There'd always be a house nearby. I mean, you got Keji, you know, you've got Cabot Trail, you know, the Highlands area, sure. But I'd say for the majority of Nova Scotia, there's roads everywhere. But I mean, that makes sense, and I get it. But it's so nice to be able to come up here, to get away, to get out onto the land. It's incredible. I'm so thankful. But I can feel the hand getting cold, so I'm going to keep track of how cold it gets tonight so I can show you. But it's going to be real nice. It's going to be real nice. Anyway, see you in a bit. Well, great night. Cold though, cold. It did get down to that minus 36, minus 37, so that was fun. But the Northern Lights came out, and my God, what an absolutely incredible showcase. Just no light pollution, just absolutely pitch black skies. Looking at them, it was amazing. So we're just gonna get set. Made a bit of tea, made a bit of bacon, and we're just gonna get set. Gonna start heading home. So it'll be a good little ride, but it's gonna be real nice. Beautifully sunny day, so it's been good. But really happy that I've been able to kind of take you along with me on this one. So it's been a lot of fun. But one of those things you just love about up here. Any case, I'm gonna get to it. We're gonna start packing. I'm gonna head back. See you later.